about light reflection refraction topic. So in this topic we will explain so in previous class you can see few problems we did, few problems concept we discuss, few more problems we'll do in this chapter, few more problems we'll do. So like light reflection refraction. Okay, so we are going to that. Now we can see. So now we can observe. So light is a form of energy which gives the sensation of sight. When the light is inciding on it, it reflects back. Okay, so we all discussed that till now. Now you can go with that one more. So problems we have to discuss. Problems. Okay, so now you can see. So problem we are going to discuss. Problems we are going to discuss. So I'll give one problem. So a glass slab. So a glass slab related to refract index. Related to refract index. Okay. So we'll work today. Related to refract index. Related to question. A glass slab is a glass slab made up of made of a material you can see made of a material of refractive index n. So n1 is kept in. So we are discussing the refractive index problems. Okay, so today class n1 kept in a medium of refractive index n2 a ray of light a light ray is incident on a light ray is incident on the slab okay, on the slab, full stop. Complete the rays complete the path of rays of light okay, emerging from the glass slab emerging from the glass slab. Okay, so that's enough. If so, conditions are if so the conditions are if n1 is greater than n2. So that's the first one. Coming to the second one n1 is equal to n2, and the third one n1 is less than 2, n2 means n2 is greater than n1. So this is the question. Now you can check it once. So here a glass slab made of a material of refractive index N1. So a glass slab made of a material refractive index N1. So kept in a medium of refractive index. So it is kept in a refractive index. Okay. So they given like that. They given. So now you can check it once. How you will get the answer for this question. How to draw the diagram. So very important. So these questions, right? So you can check once how we have to draw. So first read the question. A glass slab made up of material. So material they given of refractive index N1 is kept in a medium of refractive index N2. So light ray is incident on the glass slab, incident on the slab. Okay. So glass slab we can say. So glass slab. Complete the path of rays of light emerging from the glass slab. Can you check it once? How you have to do it? Everyone? How to do it? You can try your own way. So if not, anyway, I will explain. So that is about glass slab. Okay. Diagram. Hi. Pratik Raj. Hi ma. Welcome to the class. If you are new to the Student the Brand channel, so you can do subscribe, do like, share and subscribe. So you can check the channel. So yes, right. Pratik Raj. Huh. Is it clear? Now you can check. So they're asking to find out this one. Here you need to identify. So N2 and N1, N2, N1, N2, N1, N2, N1, N2, N1, N2, N1, N2, N1. Naushin Saha. Namaskaram. Yeah, you asked about class, right? So I took grade 11 units and measurements, right? So you asked about the class Naushin, you only, right? Or some other one? Actually, same name. So one of the person asked related units and measurements. So next day evening 6 p.m. I took the class. Yeah, I saw recorded. Yeah, same class, same time. I whatever timings I mentioned, I saw that. Okay, so units and measurements for you only I took. Okay, well done. So a glass slab made of a material. Okay, done. So come to the point. We can see a glass slab made up of material refractive index N1 is kept in a medium of refractive index N2. A light ray is incident on the glass slab. Okay, so incident on the glass slab. So we are taking welcome always. So we can see this is a glass slab, glass slab, glass slab. Okay, so complete the path of rays of light emerging from the glass slab. So I'm taking, so here I'm considering, so point number 1. So 3 diagrams we have to draw. So I'm taking 3 diagrams. Ayush, Ayush, welcome, welcome to the class. Present, yes, thank you. Welcome to the class. So inform the remaining students also. ask them to join to the class. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can ask. So if you are required class and regarding any concerns regarding the subject doubts, you can ask. Okay, so we'll discuss. Now you can see they're asking, so I'm taking, this is the glass slab, so I'm taking the glass slab N1 and this is N2, so in the medium, I'm taking, right, in the medium. Okay, one by one I will draw, so big diagrams only I will draw. So anyway, so this I will draw, that right, that side. Okay, so anyway, glass slab. So they're asking to find complete the path of ray trace emerging from the glass slab. So this also I'm erasing. Okay, so anyway we have to draw the diagrams. That's enough. So conditions we'll discuss. Those are the conditions. I'll see. Conditions. So first condition is A is N1 greater than N2. Second condition is N1 equal to N2. And third condition is, so if you take condition number 1, condition number 2, so here first one, second one, and third one is N1 is less than. Okay, so these are the conditions. Now you can see first condition. So here I'm taking the glass slab. So I'm taking this a glass slab. So I'm taking first condition, N1 is greater than N2. So N1 is the, so I'm writing here itself. So I'm taking N1 is the a glass slab made of a material refractive index. So N1 is a glass slab. Okay, glass slab, and N2 is the medium refractive index. So medium I'm considering. So this is N2 medium. This is a glass slab. Okay. So this is N2. Okay. So this is N2. This is N2 medium. Third medium. A glass slab is placed in the medium. So this is a refractive index. So here you can understand one thing. So by this condition, we can conclude that one thing. So with this, by seeing this condition, what is this condition? So N1 is greater than, means this refractive index is greater than. Glass slab. In this case, glass slab is denser medium. N2 is rarer medium. So only this condition, we should take only this condition. CBSE bodies maths paper, so I'm very scared about it. How I fight with the exams. Ayush, boss, we have so many days, boss. Why you are worrying from now onwards? So you do your preparation. You do your preparation in the right way with effort. Okay, with a continuous effort. See, if I enter into that mode, so it will take continuously. If I entered into that mode, okay, so I will plan. I will give the preparation plan. I'll give the preparation plan at the end of the class, because we need to discuss content first. So I'm discussing the content first. So after completion of this content, okay, I'll give the preparation plan. So definitely I'll give the preparation plan. So how to work out, how to do it. My maths is average, but I am scared. So no need to scare of that, boss. It's very easy only. It's very simple if you plan it. Okay. So we need to work out. We have to plan it. Okay. I will tell. I see if I enter into that, it continues like that. Okay. After completion of this class, after completion of this one, I okay. Thank you. I'm waiting. Okay, I will after completion of this question. So you anyway already you know, right? Once we start, we won't. We won't stop it. So it's like a continuous flow. I will guide you. I will inform. I will tell you. So what we need to follow, how to prepare, everything, plan and act. Okay, plan everything. I'll give you. So I'll guide you in a proper way. So let me finish this problem. Then I'll come to you. Okay, Ash. Okay, come to here. I'm considering N1 is greater than N2. So N1 is refractive index of glass is greater than this medium. So then if you are taking, so here, so when the light ray is coming from this, I'm taking rarer medium. to denser medium. So if the light ray is moving from rarer to denser, how it will passes? How it will passes until the end we have to draw. Glass slab they given, no, you can draw until the end. So like this. So light ray is moving from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal line. If it is moving from denser to rarer, it moves away from the normal line. Sir, at the end of the class, please tell me best time and timetable. See, once you listen that no timetable, definitely if you follow, definitely you'll get good marks. Sir, why you're saying only good marks? I need to get top or like that. I need to do uh, like marvelous things. Yeah, you can do. So if you follow. So we'll say next one, if you are taking, here you can see the refractive index, N1 is N1 equal to N2 means both the mediums refractive index is same. Both the mediums refractive index same. Say, if you like this video, so please do like, share and subscribe. And so you can get the more content and you can get the updates regarding the student the brand channel. So here you see, here in this case, if the light ray is passing from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal line. If it is passing from denser to rarer, it moves away from the normal line. So whereas here, if the light ray is passing along the normal line, so no refraction takes place, it moves along the normal line. Coming to third one, you can see third one. So here third one you can observe, so N2 is greater than, N1 means, so here this one is a rarer medium and this one is the denser medium. Here both rarer medium, denser medium, so anyway it is equal. That's the reason if the light ray is passing along the normal line, so no deviation takes place. It moves along the same line. So here you can see, if you are taking the light ray, so this is the denser medium. If the light ray is moving from denser medium, so angle must be less. So when it is moving from rarer to denser, so here again it should bend. So here angle should be less compared to here. So here angle will be more. Angle of refraction is greater than the angle of incidence. So these conditions are very, very important. By taking the conditions, by refractive index only, we have to draw the diagram. So without taking a proper notations and identifying the refractive index, so glass slab and medium, so we must mention, and which every time when you are drawing, you must identify which one is the rarer, which one is the denser. So here denser, rarer. So according to that, it is easy to identify. It's very easy to identify and we can immediately draw the diagram in a simple way, easy way. We can draw. So without identifying the rarer medium, denser medium, if you are simply drawing, so you may get wrong. So try to follow that one. Follow the refractive index. Okay. So that's enough. Okay. After the class, there is interactive session every day. So everybody, so there is interactive session. So around 10 I will take, or so 10 to 11 or 10 I will end, and I will end the class. After that, the interactive session will be there. You can join. So if you have any doubts related to subject, related to normal guidance, how to prepare, preparation process, preparation methods, any tips for preparation from now onwards, timetable, everything. So general discussion will be there every day. I am taking at 10 o'clock. So there is interactive session. So chat with Shiva sir. Okay, not chat, normal chit chat with Shiva sir, like anything. So you can ask doubts, questions related to subject. If you have any concerns, how to follow, how to prepare, how to work out, how to write the notes, and how to plan the timetable, how to work out with the subject, what we have to study with, which topic we have to study. So everything in detail. So general discussion will be there. So 10 p.m. Chit chat with Shiva sir. Chit chat with Shiva sir at the rate of 10 p.m. every day. Regarding the classes, regarding the subject discussion, anything. Okay, so like that. or any word we can give? Normal discussion. Normal discussion or like that. So chit chat with the Savasa like the just today I started just no actually normally I'm discussing. You can see interactive classes like that I mentioned. So you can see yesterday also there is a live class at around 10 11 also. It's 11 also it will be until 12 I will be taking. So sometimes yesterday also student the brand live like it will be there. So 94 students already interacted with me. So you can join in that class. You can interact with regarding subject, regarding any guidance, regarding the any concerns related to subject, related to no education or any common discussions. You can join and discuss with me. So 10 p.m. So 10 p.m. it will be there, right? So like that. So I'm considering here. Every day it will be there. Every day it will be there. If any changes, I'll let you know. Okay, come to the point. One more I'm considering. So a ray of light means in the class sometimes we are completely involved with the subject, right? Sometimes we may not get concerns regarding subjects. I may not discuss so those points because remaining students may not show interest. So that's why. So like that in that class you can discuss. Okay, your concerns. Then come to the point. Now I am taking lenses. So lenses I will explain. Lenses. Okay, lenses, image formations, lens diagram. Related to lens, already explained this concept. Right? I explained this concept related to lens questions. Few questions only they will ask. And sir, up main school page. No, I am working for my institution. So this is the student, the brand, mine itself, mine only. I am working completely so day and night for my own institution. A student, the brand. So remaining all subjects, not only physics, remaining all subjects, teachers are available. All subjects, not only physics, all subject, maths, chemistry, biology, social, English, Hindi. Hindi, like that all subjects also about teachers are available. Minimum experience 5 to 10 years experience. 5 to 10 years experience teachers are available in my team. So those who need classes, those who want, you can contact with me. So through this number 98498 right? Yes. Come to the point. Next one. This is a live class. YouTube live class. YouTube live class. YouTube live class. Okay, done. So next one. So here I'm considering we can go for ray rules. Ray rules of convex lens. Ray rules of convex. See how to draw the diagram. Diagrams I'll explain. So generally, Kerala ko you can go with the online. No, online is possible. No? Wherever we are, whatever we are, online. So online is possible, right? So any discussion, so like that. So interactive class session is available. You can come and discuss with me. So you can see. I already said Hindi thoda thoda aata, thoda thoda samajh aata, like that. So you can type if it is possible. You can type in English maximum with a sincere request. My sincere request her just type in English. If not Hindi, I can understand. So maximum I will do my level best to give answers, right? Yes. Come to the point. So I'm going to the ray rules of convex. See how to draw the diagrams. So till now I explained the concept only. So I explained about concept, how to take, how to draw, like that. So now I'm going completely. I'm going completely about completely about diagrams and how where we have to take the object, how we have to how the image will form, or how many light rays we have to take, like they completely explain. So now I will explain diagrams, how to draw the diagrams related to this diagrams. Okay, related to the chart diagrams, how to draw. First one, taking the concave mirror and convex mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror, sir, diagrams we can draw now, sir. Why we have to listen all these things, all the points, all the instructions means. So we can draw, but so in easy way, with a proper guidance, if you follow, so in easy way we can draw the diagrams. We can draw the diagram. So neat and clear, accurate diagrams also we can draw if you follow these points. If you follow this point, first one I'm taking the concave mirror. Concave mirror, concave mirror. If you are taking the concave mirror, how to follow step by step. Step by step, I will explain how to follow. Point number one. Point number one. So draw the principal axis. First one, step one is principal axis. Principal axis. Principal axis. First you have to draw principal axis. So principal axis you have to draw. So second point. So take the certain portion. So if you want to draw the diagram, so you have to select the space. Select the space. Simply however which space is there, we can fill. See diagrams, definitely they will ask for 3 marks. Definitely it will come for 3 marks. Diagram, any diagram if they ask, so related to light refraction and diffraction, definitely 3 marks question will come. Definitely 3 marks question will come from the chapter. So that's why diagrams, following and drawing the diagrams are very, very important. Drawing the diagram. So you can once listen, once you follow this one, once follow, and you can check the result. You can check the result. So select one place where you want to draw. So if you are taking the page, so if you are taking this a page, this is the page. Okay. So anyway, this is the serial number. Here a place is there. Only diagram maximum try to draw in the right side. So right maximum more than half of the page. More than half of the page you completely allot for diagram. Allot for, if you are taking the concave mirror, completely allot half of the page for diagram. Only related to nature, related to anything, you can write here. So why we are taking right side itself? Right side means, so we can take some extra margin. If you are taking left side, if you are drawing left side, what happens? So when you are opening, we may not completely open. So the paper cannot clearly appear. So whenever you are opening the page, so you can see, whenever you are opening the page, immediately, so we can see this portion itself. We can see this portion. We can see this portion, right? We can see this portion. So how the diagrams, immediately it will appear here. See how this diagram, you can observe. You can observe how I did. So you can observe, you see. So immediately the portion you see, it will be highlighted. Right? The diagram is highlighted. At this place only it is highlighted. And the points you see, so each and every point is very clear, very crystal clear. And the nature, see image formation by convex lens. So the diagram, if you draw here in this region, so in this portion, so sufficient place, highlighted place, if you draw, it will be good. So we cannot it appears clear, the image appears clear. At the same time, we can easily understand what diagram you are drawing. So it will be immediately, whenever you are turning the page, immediately diagram will be available. So we can see the first diagram. So diagram appears here. Diagrams appears here. So if you want to draw, so you can completely allot the place. You can want to draw the diagram, completely you can allot the place for the diagram. Completely can allot the place for the diagram. Okay. So you can allot maximum half of the portion. If you allot also, no problem. Or so this one more than half if you allot also fine. Or some portion if you allot also fine. That is your choice. It depends on you. How best you want to draw the diagram. So you can see. So here, is it good? Is it good diagram? So if you like it, you can click on like button. Then I can feel it. So I did my best. Okay. So here, immediately it appear. So more than half if you allot the place. So sufficiently you can draw all the lines, lengths, and your line. Okay, so maintaining the position and mentioning the diagram name, everything we can take, everything we can draw. And the positions, if you write this side, so it appears clear. When you're using the place this side, what happens? Almost the lines will go this side. Okay, so inside, then we can't able to observe, we can't able to observe so the diagram properly, so we can't able to observe the diagram properly. If you draw here in this region, so we can sense the diagram, we can observe the diagram, we can see the diagram in easy way. Even evaluator also, by seeing this no the by seeing this portion, so they'll feel it. Yes, so this is the way to draw the diagram. Immediately they will allot good marks, they will allot maximum marks. So that's why, so make sure that whatever you're drawing, it must be very clear, must be clear. So even whoever correcting the paper, whoever allotting the paper, that should be good and neat and clear, that should be clear. Okay, whenever you're drawing, right? So that is very very important. So make sure that you are following all the points. And the next one, so principal axis, when you are drawing the concave mirror, draw the principal axis first, draw the principal axis. So I hope I didn't teach in this way. So actually I thought to take one complete class for the diagram purpose, how to draw the diagram, how to get a corrected diagram, how to get neat diagrams, okay, how to follow all the elements. Now I am taking here, you can see I'm taking here principal axis. I'm taking the convex concave mirror. So you take certain selected position. So don't take more than half. You should not take more than half. More than half. Maximum the curve should be, okay, the curve should be, so below half of the circle, half of the circle. So if you are taking this circle, so half of the portion, maximum half of the portion, less than half also it's very good, less than half also very good. Okay, take like that, take like that, take like that. And sufficient place is required. At the same time, appropriate size according to the page, according to where you want to draw. So draw the principal axis, so with the help of principal axis we can understand. So that is, so with the help of principal axis, how much width, how much height we can draw, we can understand. And where we have to draw also, we can get the reference point. So after that, so you can draw the, okay, so here what is that, silver coating you can draw. And also mention the points: pole, focus, and center of curvature. Pole, focus, and center of curvature. Pole, focus, and center of curvature. So if you draw this diagram in this way, so you don't extend too much this line actual until P here it's enough. So if you draw like this also fine. So you can take P here. Okay, object should not exceed, so maximum 3/4 you can draw, until 3/4 you can draw. So don't take until the edge, so maximum 3/4 you can follow, 3/4. Okay, so until here you can follow, until this portion you can follow, until this portion, less than that also fine, until this portion. See, if you take the diagram like this, it appears very clear. Some people, what happens, they will take very small like this, they will take, so mirror is too much, so object is very very small, even we can't able to look into that. So that is, even more objects, sometimes they will draw the, okay, so how they will take, so they will draw this much also not required. So certain distance, certain size you have to take appropriate size. So 3/4 enough, less than 3/4 also fine, or half of also correct. So in this you can draw half of means maximum you will get here, so that's enough. So half of the mirror, again half of the half. So 1/2, again 2. So if you take it, you'll get it, right? So if you're considering that much, then it will be very good. It looks good. It looks great also. And here we can see image formation. You should keep in our mind image formations. So where we have to place the object, where the image will form. So those points you should be very clear. Okay, so without knowing that one, simply drawing also wrong only. Okay, so you'll get wrong diagram. Compulsory. So half of the height you have to take, and minimum 2 liters, as I said, minimum 2 liters. So paralines use, see again you have to take from the tip of the object. So from the tip of the object you should take from the tip. See these points you may think it is very silly. So these points are very silly. So we are not meant to this diagrams. We are meant for solving problems and writing lengthy questions and getting 4 marks, 5 marks. So we don't want to see the diagram. We don't want to practice the diagram. So diagrams are very easy. We can draw roughly also. We'll get marks. Don't think like that. Don't think like that. Even 1 mark also very important. In that point of view, if you are thinking, so definitely each and every diagram, see sometimes only alone diagram only they will give for 3 marks. You check the previous board exam paper, only glass slab they given for 3 marks. 3 marks. Now you say diagrams are important or not? A glass slab diagram they given for 3 marks. Yes. And concave mirror, last case. Concave mirror, last case, virtual image. Many times they asked. You can check the papers. So you can check the paper. 3 marks question they asked. 3 marks question. Many times they will ask. Even in our slip test, unit test, midterm, post midterm, annual. So what are the exam? Make a pre-final. Pre-finals also, this question will come. Concave mirror, last case, sixth case they will ask many times. In that way, if you want to get out of and you must follow the diagrams. Rules and regulations. So these are rules and regulations are nothing but nowhere it will mention. So you have to place the object in this much only. You have to place the mirror this much only. You have to place the light rays like this only. You have to put the arrow mark only one place. So you have to take from the tip only. So it with my own interest. So I formulated few points. So I knew for few points. If you follow, you can draw any diagram with a neat and clear, proper. So without any doubts, evaluator will give out of out marks. How to get out of out marks? I will see. So with the help of diagrams, see humanoid diagrams are there. So there I will teach. So humanoid diagrams when I am taking humanoid chapter. So humanoid colorful word, completely related to colorful word. Humanoid colorful word. These are complete. This chapter is completely based on many times. So physics, CBSE Grade-10 physics diagrams. If you practice only diagrams, so out of 25 10 marks. If you follow only diagrams, diagram practice, human eye, magnetic effects of electric current, light chapter, and electricity also series and parallel related diagrams, electrical appliances diagrams. So if you follow only diagrams, so minimum 10 marks will get. So not only diagram, with the content also you have to prepare. Sir said only diagram we have to practice. So I will practice only diagram and I will go for exam. If I didn't get, I will ask Siva sir. In the student the branch channel, Siva sir is saying at 9 p.m. every day he will take class and he will say like this only practice diagram. You will get 10 marks, remaining marks you leave. So you will get good mark. How it is possible? Okay. So you must practice diagram with a concept. At least whatever you are practicing diagram with a concept. Okay. So minimum of, if you follow related to diagram questions, I am saying related to diagram related questions. Remaining theory, remaining everything MCQs, theory, textbook you have to practice. First point is textbook. First preference give to textbook. Each and every line. Go to the each and every corner of the textbook. Textbook preparation is very important. So if you want to get out of physics, science textbook, especially physics, textbook reading is compulsory. Read the textbook 100 times. I am saying read the textbook. So practice textual questions. So practice textual question. In middle they will give yellow, in the yellow box they will give the questions and applicative questions. Those questions, see they will ask about general awareness questions. In human and colorful world, so prepare a awareness. So how you will give awareness, how you will give awareness to the people. Okay, so explain about it, explain about to donate the eyes after death, not during a life, after death. So you have to give awareness to the people to donate their eyes because it's related to human and colorful world. That's why they given that no general awareness questions, applicative based questions. Okay, that is how you will give awareness to the people, awareness to the people, awareness to the people to donate the eyes after death, after death, after death, after death. So how you they have to donate their eyes, how you will give a awareness, like preparing poster, conducting so giving advertisement, so preparing giving new channels, like awareness, like this type of general awareness questions also they will give. So you must read the textbook compulsory. You have to read the textbook. First point, textbook. Second point, your own notes. If you prepare your own notes, I'm telling very clearly, I'm saying many times, try to prepare your own notes. Try to prepare your own notes. If you prepare like this, see, so whenever I open, immediately I can understand with first definition, which color, with which color I wrote, second definition, last definition. So you can see, we can understand with the different colors, if you write our own notes, if you write our own notes, we can know every time when you open, when I open this book, so I can see, so I only written with my own hand, so I only wrote with my own hand, right? If you are writing with your own hand, when you do hard work, definitely you won't know, you won't take it easy. So you will take very serious, you will take very serious. With so much hard work I wrote these notes, with so much hard work I wrote notes. So first one, what is the definition? Second one, see, only for refraction 3 definitions I given, only for the refraction 3 definitions I given. Next one, you see, so each and every diagram, every point, so like that, with the different colors I maintain that one. So if whenever I open, I can sense it, I can recall these points immediately. I can follow this point. So I can prepare. Okay, now, so I can prepare like this. Okay, so you can see, observe. You can observe like this. So it is very easy to prepare. So try to prepare your own notes. Second point is preparing your own notes. Okay, preparing your own notes. Notes. And you can follow your so other materials are notes in the sense, you can take from the common notes, you can take from the notes from, like, whatever I'm prepare, I'm giving notes also, I'm providing notes also, so class notes, so this notes also I'm providing. So print copy, soft copy I'm providing. Those who want, you can contact to this number, 9849818004. So you can contact me through WhatsApp. So each and every detail, each and every minor detail I place, each and every minor detail I place here. So you can easily learn. See here. So each and every with a proper content, and with broad letters, So each and every point I mentioned here. So you can see, observe, you can observe here. You can observe each and every letter I mentioned here. So diagrams, including diagrams, and with the color. So problems here, these are the problems. Till now we discussed, these are the problem, like that. So if you, by writing own notes also, it will be helpful for your preparation. So hi Tanishka, welcome to the class. So textbook preparation, own notes, then so that is remaining etc. Whatever you are following, that is your choice. You can follow. Diagrams are very important. So we went to diagram and we went to somewhere. Okay. So fine. Okay, so diagram. First one you have to take one light. See, half of the above, half and half of the above you can take, not too much. So until end this point, don't take. Until this one, you should not take. This is completely wrong. Completely wrong. So medium. And the light rays also you can take like this. And you should know the object and image formations and place the points and use scale, pencil scale. Okay. So take like this. Okay. Don't extend too much. So if the diagram is this much, extension like this until here. Not required. Until here is not required. So until certain distance, you know, right? Appropriate distance, appropriate size you can take. Okay, so that's enough. Only exactly tip, exactly. See here you are taking this the tip. So from here you have to take the light rays. From here the light rays must be considered. So some people they will take here. So like this, beyond, from like this. And some people they will draw here. So from here itself. So actually this is the object. From the tip you have to take. So from this point, how the light rays will start in the middle of the, how it will start. So from here itself, wherever you place the object, from here, if you are taking the candle, so the light ray should come from this point. Okay, so from here it will come, how it is possible? Okay, so you must take from one point itself. You must take from one point. Okay, so one point you have to take on the fixed point. From there you have to take. So use pencil, scale, eraser while drawing the diagram. Okay, so that is, and the next one more you can consider here. And one more, so whenever the see object image must be below the line. So from here to here until the where the light rays are intersecting. Here you have to take until where the light rays are intersecting. So until here you have to take. Until here you have to take like this. Sir, why you are saying now itself? Because now we have time. So now we have time. We can practice. We can practice number of times. Even we can, if you do mistakes also, we can rectify and do still further. So I'm saying, so diagram. If you want a diagram, so proper diagrams, if you want a proper neat explanation of diagram rules and regulations, so you can contact that number, or you, after drawing the diagrams, so you can draw the diagrams and send to me to that number. I will check and let you know where you did mistakes, so how it will be, how to draw, and I will take accordingly. One class also. Accordingly, I will take one class. Okay. So diagram checking also available. So diagram checking, I'll check the diagrams. So how you are drawing. See, very important, right? Minimum the diagram they are giving for 3 marks. 3 marks they are giving, 2 marks they are giving diagrams. So if you are giving that much importance, if you are not practicing, even though you have time, so we cannot survive in the exams. Okay, so that's why those who want diagram correction, diagrams rectification, so you can draw the diagrams and send to this number. So diagram checking also I'll tell, and how to draw the diagrams, rules and regulations, how to get in less time, in effective manner, how to draw the diagrams also I will explain. Okay, so in detail I will explain. Now you are seeing each and every rule. First you are taking the principal axis, then mirror, next and taking the light rays. So you have to take only 2 directions. So some people they will place so many directions like this, from starting to ending. That many directions are not required. One direction enough. One direction where it is starting. So if it is direction of the incident ray, so for incident ray one direction, and reflected ray one direction enough. So no need to draw many directions. So some people they will draw many, 3, 4, 5. Not required. Anyway, we know, right? Arrow mark. What I say, if I want to go for so like a one direction, one arrow mark enough, like this. So we know if the light ray is passing like this, so exactly middle you can place. If you want, you can place here. So it will appear exactly middle if you place. So if you are taking the concave mirror, exactly see here. So exactly if you place middle of the middle of the incident ray, it appears very clear, very bright. So like this. So this is incident ray if you place here. And one more thing, that light ray direction also, light ray direction also you should not keep however you wish. So how they will draw, some people how they will draw, see, so like this, so like this, or like this, or so like this, or like that, like this. So it's not like that. And somehow they will draw, I will show you somehow they will draw. So normal line is very small, but the direction is this much, direction is this much. Other than that, shading this total area, this much also not required, that is also not required. So simple one, easy way. Okay, so in effective manner, so take line, so compared to how what the broad, the width of the line, how much width you are taking, compared to that width, you can draw the, you can show the arrow mark, you can show the arrow mark, that's enough. So if you follow, there are many points, hundreds of points are there, so we may think these points are very simple, very easy. Sir, why you are saying very silly point? These silly points also they will consider. Yes. So overall, see, I will draw one diagram. Okay, you can observe. I will draw one diagram. You only tell. Instead, I'll show you the diagrams. My diagrams I'll show you. So I'll show you, tell. So you can tell, you can understand how I did. So these are my diagrams. So how much space I am giving, how much line I am taking, so arrow marks, directions, everything how I am taking, you can observe. How I am taking, you can observe like this. How I am taking, you can observe each and every line, each and every point. So how I am drawing. So one direction is enough. More than that, it's not required also. So you see here. So how I am drawing each and every diagram, you can observe. So maybe it is not visible. Now you can see. Like here also you can see. So here virtual image, here also how it is happening. It's very clear, neat, right? It's very clear and neat. And here also. Okay, so like that way we have to draw the diagrams. Each and every point, even lenses also I did the diagram. Like that, if you follow, it is good. Okay, so I'll draw the one diagram. You can see. So pole, focus, center of curvature. So object is placed here. One lighter I am taking here. So from the tip you have to take. Next we have to, it will pass us through focus. So don't take beyond point. Next, so I am incidenting at the pole from this itself. So those light rays are meeting here. So these light rays are meeting here. That's enough. Okay, if it is less lengthy diagram, you can take. So not more than that. Even if you are so no need to draw here also, because those are lines are intersecting. So you can mention in middle, exactly middle, like this. Here you can mention like here. Then it appears. Here also it appears here. Like that. That's enough. Simple diagram, easy. Pole, focus, center, curvature. Here object AB, and here A dash, B dash. Until certain distance you can consider. Here this line also, not required too much. So normally without measuring, so you can take. It depends. Depends. It depends. So that's enough. Thank you so much for your interaction. So we'll see. So that is about today class. So every day new topics, new discussions will be there. So new points I'll be discussing. Next time I'll go with the paper presentation. How to how to write the paper, how to present. So how you are writing. So it's not about how much you learnt. It's about how much you wrote on the exam paper. So it depends. So does it have any measurements? So not understanding. So I'll support you, sir. Okay, right, sir. Sir, आपका it have any measurement? Ayush, others no. Okay, ma. So sorry for that. Due to some network issue, so I couldn't able to attend your. Couldn't able to answer your messages. Now at 10 o'clock you can discuss. Okay, with me. So I'll start one more live class. Just join. So thank you so much. This is your Shiva sir signing off.